Farzana Aziz and welcome to TudungPeople channel. So as you can see today, can you guess I'm actually wearing an instant? So if you want to know how I wear this or what collection I'm wearing, stay tuned to see. This is Nadra in the color of Sprite. This is the first look, which is the inner. The inner is made a little bit bigger. So if you have a small face, you can just pin it ataupun jahit je untuk kecilkan to suit your face. Take the second look. Sarung. Even though it's an instant, you can also wear it in a different style. Macam ni, I pakaikan ke depan sikit. And then I'll take this part, pin it dekat belakang. Then it will create like butterfly punya style. Make sure to pin it securely. Macam ni. You can also take an accessory. Pin it dekat your inner. And you're done. Can you actually believe that this is an instant? If you want to wear an accessories, always pick something that is a bit longer. And then the colour tu pun you can either complement or like me, I like to have it a bit more contrasting to create macam a bit of drama. Sebab orang nampak. If you want to know what Nadra is or you want to see all the available colours, you can just click the link down below.